Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will see how we can wire up the field safety relay with the safety door interlocks. Before starting, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the more upcoming video tutorials. So let's begin. First, have a look at the machine door safety interlock. It has a key which will be attached to the door. When we pull out this key, the normal close contact of this lock opens up, thus giving signals to the safety relay. If we open up the cover of the connection box, here you can see the two sets of normal close contacts, 11-12 and 21-22 terminals. These are normal close contacts. Once we pull out the key from the safety interlock, these contacts will be opened. Now let's see how we can wire up the safety interlock with the PILZ X2 safety relay. To power on the safety relay, we need to apply 24V DC at A1 and A2 terminals. Next, we will connect two sets of normal close contacts, 11-12 and 21-22 of the safety door interlock to S11, S12 and S21-22 channels of the safety relay. To reset the safety relay, contact the normal open push button at S33, 34 terminals. We can connect a master control relay at 13 and 14 terminals of the safety relay. These contacts will be opened once the safety relay detects open circuit at channel 1 or channel 2. Now the wiring is done, let's power on the circuit. We will insert the key in the safety door interlock. Both terminals 1 and 2 are closed, but still the safety relay will not reset itself until we press the reset button. If we press the reset button, the safety relay resets and it will turn on the master control relay. Now if we pull out the safety relay key, the safety relay will detect open circuits at channel 1 and channel 2 and turn off the master control relay. If we insert back the key in the lock, its contacts 11-12 and 21-22 closes. And now if we press the reset button, the safety relay will detect closed circuit at channel 1 and channel 2 and turns on the master control relay. Now let's see how the safety relay behaves with the original wiring. First, let's power on the circuit. We will insert the key in the safety door interlock. Both channels, channel 1 and channel 2 are closed. But still the safety relay will not reset until we press the reset button. If we press the reset button, the safety relay resets and it turned on the master control relay. Now if we pull out the safety relay key, the safety relay will detect open circuit at channel 1 and channel 2 and turn off the master control relay. Now with the key out of the lock, if we try to reset the safety relay by pressing the reset push button, it will not reset. To reset, we will insert back the key in the lock. Its contact 11-12 and 21-22 closes. And now if we press the reset button, the safety relay will detect closed circuit at channel 1 and channel 2 and turns on the master control relay. So this is how we can install the machine safety door interlocks with the PILZ safety relay. I hope you liked today's video. Please share, like, subscribe, and till next video, take care and goodbye.